been rocking with PML.
Good, everybody. Today's a special day. We've been teasing it on Instagram all week. Short notice because we didn't want to have something too crazy and get shut down. So we only had a week to promote this. We have an official collab with local authority. In 10 minutes, we're going to depart from here and head to Malibu. Armin, where are we going?
We're going Malibu and we're going to see the store for my car. I have a helmet, I have a white flashlight.
Yeah, so his helmet's there, his car is there, it's on display. But as you guys can see, it's a family affair. Crazy cars came out. There's gonna be more cars up there, so stay tuned. We got some, this is gonna be crazy. Malibu, California. We're at the lumber yard. This is where local authority resides. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour, show you guys what's going on. You guys see all the whips lined up. We got a packed house. The whole lumberyard parking is full of cars for the cars and coffee. And then you guys are gonna follow me to the VIP section. We got our speakeasy truck. The speakeasy is a monster. For those of you guys don't know, this is a sleeper, but don't sleep on it. We're serving crumble cookies, which they sponsored. We appreciate it. Topo Chico, another sponsor of ours. This is ultimately for the culture, for the car culture. So we're giving out and we're doing what we can do. Monster SLS Brabus right here. This is actually Eddie's old school from Crumble, which is crazy. These cars are $600,000-$700,000 all over the place. I don't know which ones to tell you guys about, but this is my baby, which you guys haven't seen the reveal yet, but we just blacked it out, ran the wheels black. I just ran a white coach line, slammed it. Porsche GT2 RS, Ferrari, new 4x4 G63, Mansuri Cully in the back. This bad boy right here, 1,300 horsepower, so it has some serious power. And then the internet sensation, Scott Disick's vehicle that went viral. We had the ability to be able to show it out here today. So for those of you that didn't see the episode and you guys are in Malibu, you guys are able to see it. Man, it's lit. My daughter Natalia, Jack's daughter Cole. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Say hi, Natalia. What are we doing out here?
We're at
Malibu. Show them your shirts. Turn around. Show them your shirts. We got the dirt bikes on display. The merch is crazy, like literally the quality. I mean, I'm rocking the jacket as you guys can see. Yo, talk to him, man.
Too fire, bro.
You guys know who this is.
Don't know the history.
No introduction.
20 years, been rocking with PML.
Come on, man.
Local authority, real 90265 Malibu locals.
Exactly.
Do the collab. Have this satin gangster, the drip is too crazy.
And my brother's very expensive to get out here. He don't usually come out, but obviously for family he's up here, so we appreciate you, bro. And I hope you guys enjoy this episode, enjoy the cars, and salute to all of you guys, man. We love you guys.